Hey guys, part of what you're going to be doing today is finishing up the zombie assignment, and I made my way around on Friday and got a visit with most of you guys, and it looked like we had a pretty good start. Just wanted to give you a heads up on how to maybe make this project a little more simple. So what I would do if I was doing number one, first of all, of course, I would find the zombie that I want to go after, which is this guy. So I realize that most of you may be done with him already, but the strategy that I teach you to get him may help get the other ones as well. So what I want to do is I'm going to start visualizing a line that goes from here and runs through the y-axis but doesn't hit any other zombies because we couldn't do that. So it's going to look something like this. So even if you don't have an iPad, which I know you don't, but you can still eyeball that the y-intercept, a good y-intercept would be somewhere around here. And then we just need to draw a line through that gets the zombie that we are looking for. So I've chosen a good y-intercept here, and then what I want to do is I want to choose another point that's on the line. And once I have 2 points, I'm able to start to figure out what the equation is. So I'm going to choose something like that because it looks like it's headed towards the zombie that I need. So the line is going to go from here down to here, and sure enough, it gets him kind of in the knee. So if I wanted the equation of that line that I just drew for you, I would pick the 2 points. So the y-intercept point is the point 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the other point that it goes through to head down towards the zombie is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, -2. So at this point, I can almost ignore the graph and I can just worry about the algebra. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to calculate what is m. So to get m, I would go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that's going to give me -8 over 6, which is equal to -4 over 3. So now I have m. Now the good part about me choosing this point that goes to the y-axis is not only does it help angle my line, but it has also immediately calculated b for me. So I don't need to plug in a point to figure out what b is because I already know that it is right here. It's 6. So slope-intercept form would be y equals -4/3 x plus 6. And now all I have to do is point slope. So remember, for point slope, all you need is a point and a slope. So I'm going to choose this point up here, and it would give me y minus y1, which is going to be -2. So it's actually y plus 2 is equal to m, which is -4/3, parentheses x, take away x1, which is 6. So now we got point slope, and if we were to distribute, it would turn right back into slope-intercept form. And then 3 is probably the toughest of them. It is standard form, so I need to be able to go from y-intercept to standard. So I would do that by adding 4/3 x to both sides, plus y is equal to 6. And now it's in the ax plus by equals c form, but I got to get rid of the 4/3. And I would do that by putting everything over 3. And this one already is. And this would be 3y. And this would be 12. No, it wouldn't. That would be, well, it's got to be equal to 6, so that's going to have to be 18. So now that I've done that, all I have to do is erase my denominators. And there we go. We have 4x plus 3y is equal to 18. And I can move these up a little bit. So this is standard. And now 1 is all the way done with standard form, with point slope form, and y-intercept form. So again, the reason why it was so easy for me to do that was I chose these 2 points here, and I found the slope, and then one of the points that I chose was the